oil and gas stocks as well. Let's move on and let's get in Shivangi Sarda for a quick technical check on the market. Shivangi, it has been a strong recovery from the lows, but we're still away from fresh record highs. And at the same time, while there has been recovery, as we go ahead, levels of 18,600 and plus, there could be some congestion. What should one do in a situation like this?
Good morning, Nigel and Baklam. Thank you for having me. So we've seen that, Nifty index opened on a slightly negative note today on account of weakness. But then again, we saw good recovery and support-based buying from 18,350 zones, which is quite positive. So after a little bit of a breather that we saw last week, the index is now again, moving ahead in the bulls are getting back in action. And we've seen a good amount of buying over here, which is keeping the index afloat. So, some sort of a pause can obviously be seen because, the negation has happened on the weekly basis. But overall, the structure remains quite positive. Even on the derivatives data front, the index is quite positive. And now, till it holds 18,350, we could see an upside towards 18,650 zones. So these two levels could be important to watch out for. Now, if we look at Bank Nifty, the banking index has been, outperforming the broader market since the last 7 sessions. Banking IVs have also cooled down quite a bit, which is supporting the bulls at higher zones. So banking index looks more positive than the Nifty index, and it's a clear-cut buy in the banking index even at these levels. And as we can see, the bulls are cheering at record high levels. So banking index is a buy with a target of around 44,000 and a stop of around 43,250 levels.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Shivangi. You want to fill us in with a couple of other picks as well?
Yes, absolutely. So my top picks for the day would be, first one is a heavyweight, which is HDFC Bank. We've seen in the December series so far, we've seen a lot of long built-up OI addition over here, and stock is continuously making higher lows from the last 3 months. It is now coming out of its Poland flag pattern formation on weekly frame, and daily it has come out of its long consolidation. So longer the consolidation, more the upside expected over here. So we can buy here with a target of around 17.15 and a stop of around 16.15. My second pick would be on Siemens. We've seen good amount of open interest addition over here on the long side. Weekly negation and follow-up buying at higher zones, which will take the stock higher. We've seen the stock has been continuously making higher highs, higher lows from the last 4 sessions, and a positive divergence can be seen on the RSI indicator. So it's a buy from here with a target of around 31.20 and a stop of around 29.45 levels.
All right, take that point, Shivangi. Thank you for joining in and giving us all those details. Let's also talk about a special segment where we get you ideas for profit coming in from our colleagues at Money Control Pro. Nitin Agarwal joins in.
So the company that I have chosen is Bosch Limited, an auto ancillary company.